a bit high on the feeling. Can't see to focus.
Yo, welcome to a new video. My name, if you're new here, is Adam Ivel. Please make sure you subscribe because it is super sick if you do that. I'm joined by loads of people today down the garage. Max isn't staying for too long, are you? But today, P-Wizzle.
The old school garage as well.
Yeah, in the old school garage. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Jacking it.
Why from there?
Because the bolts are there, so when you go like this, put more fluid in, and then when it goes down,
Oh,
you're right.
okay. Be careful of the sill, it's brand new.
Fuck off.
So we've got Pete, and we've got my Civic. We've got my new gearbox oil. I'll go get that in a second and show you. And we hope to be able to get this car moving today, which would be absolutely amazing if we can. So the gearbox fluid I've gone for is this Redline MTL performance lubricant stuff. This is a direct replacement, the 7580, if we can get in focus. 7580, and it says there, Honda Acura Genuine MTF. So I went for this stuff just because it looked cool, basically. So annoyingly, Pete's already done everything. Sorry, Jordan.
You put oil in the gearbox.
You put the oil in the gearbox, and then you did that bolt up on the gearbox.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
So I'm getting the seed out of my tooth.
You sure it went a bit of oil from when you dripped it down a rock cover?
I don't think so.
Because how's it going to have oil dripping from it when it had no oil in it?
Engine oil. Did your boy find you, by the way?
What?
The guy who was commenting about where do we find more.
Yeah, you found me.
Did he?
Who found you?
There's two, so don't lose it. Is it all the way in now? Let's not round this one again. See you later, Max.
Bye.
Bye. So, Wizzle Pip, what are you doing? Struggling?
When am I struggling?
Oh my god. Do you want a hand?
I don't need your help.
Okay then, fuck you, guy. Your hair looks like the hair of a receptionist today, or like a year 2 teacher called Janet. Got a lovely fringe there. Oh, look at the colour feet. Oh, it's back to Pete again.
Corner on my best friend's sofa. You were getting buzzed on rum and cola.
Yo, so I'm just going to give you all that update on Tom's car real quick. Got all the new Driftworks arms on that I supplied him, and we've also got all the replacement parts that were in the car when you bought it. Now I'm going to try and straighten this front end up a little bit. And yeah, so there's one of the new Driftworks arms. They look sick. If you are interested in any of these parts, remember, drop us an email, sales@621. We can hook you up. Okay, that is now all bolted up in there. We're going to try and get the steering wheel straight, get all the electronics working in here, and then drive it out of here today. We've got a running car, we've got no lights. No lights, Pete. We've got no lights, man. We got no lights.
Well, clogs are there. I couldn't find where the plug went. Probably because you haven't plugged it in.
Oh, okay. What about now? I think we've definitely, yeah, we've got brakes. Turn that brake off. Yeah, I think so. It's just so bright, I can't really tell. Sick, Finn. Sick, me. Okay. What? Even when you're not on camera, you're so awkward. We're about to move the car out for the first time in how long? 2.5 years? Since it's driven on its own?
Yeah, probably.
Woo! Nervous? What if it goes bang or something?
What's going to go bang?
Come on, get in, do something. You can't just sit there. Get over there. Get over there. Come on. Are you ready?
Oh, there you are.
Are you ready? I'm a bit nervous.
Why? You only go backwards.
I don't know. The dashboard is definitely sat too close.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Yeah, something's rattling real hard from that side.
Are you sure it's not just the fucking shit on the fucking floor from the vibrations?
Maybe. Yeah, this is sat way too close.
I know, it's weird, isn't it? I don't understand why.
Maybe. Oh shit! It's outside on its own power. Oh man, it looks cool, doesn't it? Come on, it looks good, right? It does look sick. That surely deserves a thumb up for this video. What do you mean no? Gonna be doing some stuff on Tom's car real quick, because the Civic's over here working. So I'm gonna hand you that. Oh no, not I'm handing you that.
Mate, come on.
Hang on.
Pete, you might have to do this. I'm a bit too fat for this seat. Pete is just shooting off to go get some hammer thing to help Tom sort his car out. And I thought, do you know what? Let's do something. Let's put the spoon mirrors on. It will look like a car then. Ouch. Yo, okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put my spoon mirrors on. These are a Gen 1 original spoon sports mirror. Super rare and expensive and such a waste of money, but I didn't pay very much for them, so it's not so much of a waste. Pretty sick. Let's get them tidied up. Got the oh fuck, AM detailer, which I'll leave a lovely little link to, so you can go get some. Oh fuck, what the fuck is going on over there? And yeah, let's get these cleaned up. I'm ready for the car. Look at my knee. Ow.
I'm brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty.
Oh man, the car looks so good now with the wing mirrors on as well. Oh shit, man! Oh, I love that. Fuck, it looks sick. It looks like a proper car, man. I need to order the Recaro side mounts so I can get the seat in it, get it aligned, make sure everything is done up properly. Yeah, rock and roll, motherfucker. I love it. Oh, I'm so excited now. Sick.
Perfect.
Okay, so the Civic seems to have an air leak or something somewhere. It's not running right, is it, Pete? No. That needs to go up in the air so we can work out what it is. But we're not going to do it today. I hope you've enjoyed watching this so far, though. But we're going to wait until the car's removed so we can put that in that garage. And you're right, mate. But it looks amazing. I hope you guys like how it's looking. Give the video a thumbs up for the Civ. And yeah, and also look out for the review on this thing. I've done a little cheeky review on this today. I love this little car. Proper sold on it. I think it's fucking sick. So yeah, make sure you check that out and give it a thumbs up for me, please. That'd be wicked. Right, so that is where I'm going to sign out from today. The Civic's got a lot more love. It's running really, really shit, so we need to sort that out. But other than that, it looks amazing, and I hope you guys are enjoying this journey with me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, @AdamIval. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you don't already, and if you do, hit the bell button. See you later, guys. Peace. Oh, we're back on the sofa at the end of the video again. I hope you guys enjoyed watching some slight progress on the Civic and seeing it move for the first time in, I honestly think it's about 2.5 years since it moved under its own power, so that's really, really cool. Oh, that thing's taken so much of my time and effort. I just wanted to put in a little quick thing at the end though, to say I get a lot of grief from people with how long the project has taken. Now, the car has been a full stripped down bare shell rebuild. I've had multiple people helping out, and with more hands becomes a bit more problem because you don't know where everyone puts stuff, and some people do stuff other people wouldn't and all that sort of stuff. I'm not hating. I really genuinely appreciate all the help people have given me. I'm just saying, like, a lot of stuff's been lost and misplaced over the time, and it's cost me extra money having to redo that. And I don't think it's fair that I've been getting grief. Car projects shouldn't have a time frame on them. They shouldn't have any rules, really. You should be able to do whatever you want. And normally, I honestly believe if this was anybody else, they would have sold the Civic before it went for paint. I think that would have they'd have just got rid of it. They wouldn't have wanted to do the full stuff with it. And I'm seeing now there's some other people that have done full builds on theirs, done K-swaps and stuff, and they can't even sell them for $9 grand. Like Ben Barnes, a guy I know called Ben Barnes, has got one up for sale for £9,000, and he can't shift it. It's been up for sale for ages. So that's why I'm thinking, like, my build has to stay my build. I have to do it exactly how I want, because no one's going to pay me the money I want for it if I do sell it. And number two, yeah, well, basically no one's going to pay me the money, and I have to fund all this myself. So it's my money I'm spending, and it has to be done like that. I'm over the moon. My Nissan is back now. I really hope you enjoyed the video with Pilg. I've got so many more reviews coming up. That's what we're doing today as well. We're filming more reviews. So yeah, that was just a little touch on the Civic. It is going to be finished one day. We don't have a set date for it, whether it's this year, next year, or 3 or 4 years down the line. The car makes me no money, so it has to be done when I can afford to do stuff. Like, I don't think I can afford to order the Recaro side mounts this month. It's just that But on the subject of this sort of stuff, 621, we are doing £10 t-shirts now. This and the other one with the 621 logo across the chest are £10 now, £9.99 plus shipping. And we've also got a sale across all of our other merchandise. And hopefully you guys will pick them up. If you do grab something, let me know down in the comments. If you want early access to my videos, patreon.com/AdamIval. Sorry, I have to do a little bit of plug-in because obviously I need to earn money somehow. And yeah, it'd be cool if you guys would join up. And yeah, let me know what you're looking forward to the most. Are you looking forward to track days in the Civic, more MX-5 stuff, huge drift days in the Sylvia, or just a road trip in the M3? Let me know down below. There's going to be some boring videos, well, what might seem boring on the surface of things. There's going to be some videos that might seem boring on the surface of things coming up very soon. But please click them. I promise you, you will enjoy them. I'll make sure my audience will enjoy them. I'll put as much effort into them as I can. And also, finally, Toyota UK are on board with me. They're giving me a car to go up to the Liverpool Red Bull Drift Shifters with. So if you're going to be there, come and say hello. Let's get, you know, it'd be sick to meet some more people. And they're giving me a RAV4 hybrid. So I want to do a video on that in comparison to my Touareg. It's kind of a bit different. I'm trying to whirlwind everything that I've got into this to make it suitable, hopefully, for a little bit for everybody. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Just remember, £10 t-shirts. Please grab one. It'd be sick if I could see some more people supporting the brand. See you later on, dudes. Have a good day. Peace.